फाइनली हामी रिच भइसक्यो। सो या अब यहाँ चाहिँ Hi everyone. So finally I reached Bangalore International Airport, Terminal 2, and you can see the view of Terminal 2 is really beautiful, and you can see this view. So as you know, I'm traveling to Malaysia today, and my flight is at 11 p.m. Indian timing, and I'll be reaching to Malaysia at 6 a.m. in the morning. So the duration will be for 4.5 hours. So oh, I'm really excited because I'm traveling Malaysia for the first time, and as you know, I'm going to start a new job from tomorrow onward. I'm joining a new company, and the company is taking care of all the accommodations and everything. So once I reach there, so from there I'll be directly going to the hotel. So once I reach there, I'll be showing you the complete video of Malaysia, and I'll try to cover as much beautiful places as possible. So based on your best wishes, I am making this video, and this will be available in our YouTube channel. So you can check our Easymylearning channel, where you will able to see this complete video of our journey from Bangalore to Malaysia. So this is the view of Bangalore Airport, and once I reach Malaysia, I'll be showing you the view of Malaysia Airport as well. So you can enjoy the view. So this is the view, and I'm really enjoying. And I came 4 hours earlier because I have to take some videos, and also I'm going to utilize my lounge facilities. So I have credit card, so which will help me to get the lounge facility in free. So I'll be enjoying that, and I'll be showing you the complete video of lounge facility that will be providing generally by this airport. So we'll have a checking. Initially we have to do our checking and everything. So the terminal is not open, the counter is not yet open. So once the counter is open, then we'll be entering, and we'll be doing our checking for our trolley bag and carry bag, and then there will be a verification of our documents and everything. So once we enter inside, we'll be going to the lounge, and we'll have our dinner over there. So see you guys. I'm really excited, I'm really happy, and thank you so much for your best wishes. एक्सेस लिइसकेका छौँ। कार्डको एक्सेस लिएर कहिले काहीँ कार्ड काम गर्नु हामीले पेमेन्ट गरेका छौँ र अहिले पेमेन्ट गरेका छौँ अबाउट अराउन्ड 4130 रुपिस इन्डियन करेन्सी। र तपाईँहरूको लागि मात्र मैले एक्सेस लिएको छु, तपाईँको दृश्य देखाउनको लागि। र तपाईँहरू यति पैसा पे गरेर तपाईँहरूले यो भिडियो लाइक गर्नै पर्छ, च्यानललाई सब्सक्राइब गर्ने भन्ने हुन्छ, ठिक छ। र हामी जान्छौँ, यो पुरै बिजनेस क्लास भाडाहरू सबै फ्री छ, हामी भित्र जान सक्छौँ। तर हामी त्यति खास युज गर्छौँ, तपाईँलाई दृश्य देखाउनेछौँ र खाना खानेछौँ, बाहिर जान्छौँ। यहाँ हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ दृश्य यस्तो छ। सो हामी स्टार्टिङ गर्दैछौँ दृश्य यहाँबाट। म ब्याक क्यामेरा अन गरेर तपाईँ भाडाहरू सबै फ्री छ, तपाईँ ड्रिङ्किङहरू जे पनि गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ यहाँभित्र। अब एकचोटि पेमेन्ट गरिसकेपछि सबै कुरा फ्री हुनेछ। यहाँ हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ दृश्य कस्तो छ। पहिला पुरै तपाईँहरूलाई एक राउन्ड घुमेर तपाईँहरूलाई देखाउनेछु, र त्यस पछाडि हामी खाना खान्छौँ, ठिक छ। त्यही हो तपाईँको दृश्य हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। हेर्नु तपाईँको खानाहरू कति राम्रो छ, कति भेराइटीहरू छ। लास्ट टाइमको कम्पेरिजन जुन हाम्रो टर्मिनल 1 थियो त्यसको कम्पेरिजनमा यो कतिको राम्रो छ तपाईँहरूले कमेन्टमा लेख्नु होला। यो हेर्नु सक्नुहुन्छ कति भेराइटीहरू छ, कति ठुलो छ हाम्रो यो लाउन्ज एरिया हेर्नु सक्नुहुन्छ। यहाँ पुरै 5 स्टार होटल जस्तै पुरै फेसिलिटीहरू छ यहाँ। यो पुरै एरिया तपाईँको लाउन्जकै हो, हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। तपाईँहरूले जहाँ बसेर पनि तपाईँले लाउन्जको फेसिलिटी लिन सक्नुहुन्छ। हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ तपाईँको किचन बारहरू यतातिर छ, तपाईँहरू आएर यता पनि इन्जोय गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। यो एरिया हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ कति ब्युटिफुल छ। किचन पनि छुन सक्छ। यो तपाईँको स्पेसल एरिया यहाँबाट तल पनि भ्यू हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। कति राम्रो भ्यूहरू छ, कति राम्ररी बनाएको छ तपाईँहरूले हेर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। So hi everyone, finally we got the lounge access and you can see the view of the lounge from here. So we have bar this side. So as you know, I never drink, so I'm not going to the bar area. I'm going to have a food at this area. So this is the area where we can collect our food, and there are more than 100 varieties of food are there. So we are going to take one pieces from each, and then we'll bring our plate. We'll sit somewhere and we'll have our dinner. So hope you are enjoying our videos. You can see the view from here. So this is the view. It's really beautiful and it's really luxurious. It will give a luxurious feel. So you can see here the 360 view from this side also. So it's really amazing place and it's really a great experience. Hope you enjoyed this video. So hi everyone, finally we are taking our food. So you can see here we have 2 items. So we need food item and then we have chicken other sweets item as well. And then we have dinner item. So I taken this much food, but I'm not sure whether I will be able to complete all foods or not. And I have one can Fanta, so I'm going to enjoy my dinner. So you can see the background here. So I've taken this seat because I have a great background. The background you can see it's really beautiful. So this is the view. You can enjoy the view from here. So see you guys. I'll complete my dinner and then I'll show you the next steps where we are going to visit our gate number 4, I guess. So there I will be visiting there, and then from there we'll be waiting for our next boarding. So
25 22 alpha 22 alpha.
सो फाइनली हाम्रो फाइनल भेरिफिकेसन भइसकेको छ र यहाँबाट हामी इन्टर गर्दैछौँ र इन्टर गरिसकेपछि भित्र हामी गएर फ्लाइटमा बस्नेछौँ। यहाँ चेक इन भइरहेको छ, चेक इन गर्दैछौँ, हेर्छौँ के चेक इन गर्न सक्नुहुन्छ। यो बिजनेस क्लास सिटहरू छ र भित्रमा क्लास सिटहरू भएको छ, यस्तै छ फ्लाइट भनेको यही हुन्छ। हाम्रो फ्लाइटको छ। So hi everyone, finally we reached Malaysia International Airport and you can see the view from here. So we landed safely. Now we are moving to C5, from where we have to complete our immigration. We have to show our visa and then we'll move ahead to collect our trolley bag, and from there we'll move to our hotel. So see you guys, bye. You can see the view from this side as well. I'll show you the 360 view of this international airport. So you can enjoy the view. This is the view. It's really nice. See you guys. Bye. I have finally, we have taken our trolley and we came out, and then we are going by taxi. So we'll take taxi and we'll go to our hotel. So see you. So finally we reached our hotel. This is our hotel. So we have to do our check-in. So we are waiting for the manager to come. So once he comes, we'll do the check-in and then we'll go to our room. So see you. Hi everyone. So finally got the key and I opened the door and you can see the view of my room. So this is the place where I'm going to stay. And today I'll be taking rest as I had only 1 hour sleep in the flight. And the journey was really good and it was really a nice experience. This is the first time I'm visiting Malaysia and it was really a great experience. As you guys also had seen in the video that I had a great experience. And finally, by the help of and by the blessing of God, I reached safely. And I cannot express my happiness and my feelings. So tomorrow onward, I'll be visiting my office and I'll show you the complete video of my office. So I'll give a tour of my office. I'm really excited, but today I'm really tired. I have to take some nap and then I'll sleep for 5 to 6 hours, and then there will be some call with my HR. So see you guys. So this is the place you can see here. Everything is available here. Hi everyone. So I came on the terrace of the hotel which I'm staying right now in Malaysia, and the building which I'm showing right now, this is the building, and in this building my office is there. It is a Great Eastern East building, and integrated data office is there in this building, and you can see the view on the left hand side. It's really looking amazing, and it's the night view. Right now it's 9 p.m. and you can see the view. It's really looking beautiful, and on the right hand side you can see all the big towers are there. So you can see here Kill Tower is there, Petronas Tower is there, and then other big towers are there. I'm not sure what is the name of those towers. So all the big buildings are there in this place near to my office, and it's really a beautiful place. And I'm really glad that I got this big company from where I can enjoy the views and I'll work with the motivations. So it's really great. I'm just looking forward to work with the company. So day after tomorrow is my joining date. So I'm really excited. Just wondering like when Wednesday will come, and then I'll go inside and I'll show you the complete view from inside. So this is the outside view and this is the night view, and it's really amazing. You can see the view from here, the ground level. You can see how big the road are, the flyovers are, and this side also you can see there are too many top buildings, big buildings are there. So this is the night view which I'm showing right now. So you can enjoy this view, and you can mention in the comment If you have any queries, and if you like this view, definitely give a thumbs up, like my video, and the complete video will be available on our YouTube channel. So if you like this video, definitely put a thumbs up, write a comment, and then if you are new to our channel, please subscribe our channel as well. So this is the complete view from the one side. I'll show you the other side as well. So this is the another side of the view. You can see here how beautiful it is. It's really, really, really beautiful. Hope you like this video. So that's all for this video. So I had explained the complete journey from Bangalore to Malaysia, and I had shown you the complete view of the KL city, and that is also the night view, and that is also from the top of the terrace. So hope you like this video, and I try to cover all the beautiful views from each direction. So that's all. See you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video and liking this video and subscribing our channel. Thank you so much.